Hi, my name is Wan. I'm a prompt engineer based in Singapore. In this sharing, I would like to make a simple comparison between the latest version of ChatGPT and the chat feature of Bing browser developed by Microsoft. For the original ChatGPT, the model used is GPT 3.5. As of March 15, 2023, the latest public version of GPT is GPT-4. The same model is also used to power chat feature of Bing browser. Are they the same? Let's find out. To make a simple comparison between GPT-4 and Bing Chat, I have made a few simple prompts to submit to both. For example, finding information, summarize a resume, generate content, and a simple task. Before I submit the prompt to both, let's review a bit of the UI of Bing. As usual, the first tab is search, and the second tab is chat. And here is the place where we can submit the prompt. And this is the UI of ChatGPT, and the model I have selected is GPT-4. Let's get started. The first prompt is finding out the largest employer of Node.js in Singapore. As you can see, Bing is designed very much like a search engine. And from here, the response come from multiple sources with the reference. Let's click on one of them and move on. Hey, this is the chat feature of Bing. It is designed very much like a search engine. And how about ChatGPT? As you can see, the response from ChatGPT, it has only data up to September 2021. And in the response is very much a summary of major employers in Singapore that are interested in the skill Node.js. You may pause this video to review the response, or you may submit the prompt yourself. The URL for the document of the prompts used in this sharing will be shared in the description of this video. Okay, let's try the second prompt. Summarize a resume example. As you can see, the largest size of the prompt for Bing is 2000. And I will copy this example A into the prompt. And part of the content is truncated due to the maximize size is rich. I will remove some of the example. And Bing give a summary of the resume A. And I will try to do the same for Chat GPT. If you compare both, in Bing is very much a summary, and in ChatGPT is almost a rewrite of the example A. Let's try the prompt. We write a content, a resume based on example A. Because of the maximum size limitation, I've removed some content. So it is to rewrite the following resume using example A. Bing is very much a summary with some part of the resume rewritten. And how about ChatGPT? And here is the rewrite resume by ChatGPT using the example A. It's very much using the structure of resume A. And due to the maximum size of the prompt for Bing, so if you're using Bing, you may need to divide the resume to multiple parts. Okay, the last prompt, a task to get a job for a fresh grad. So is to share some idea to increase my chance of getting my first job as a software developer in Singapore. And the background is I have recently graduated with an average grade, and the final year project is a trading front end, and the constraint for the task is I need to start work as soon as possible. Let's see what could Bing advise or suggest. And here are some ideas to get a job in Singapore for a fresh graduate with immediate need to start earning as soon as possible, like building online presence, attending networking event, apply for internship, improve skill, tailor resume and cover letter, prepare, be persistent. Let's see what could ChatGPT advise. Wow, here is a response by ChatGPT. And here's a question for you. What is your first impression of Bing, Chat, and GPT-4? You can share your first impression from this perspective, like UI, intelligence of the response. Thank you for your attention.